sorry about that. So if you didn't watch the video, I'm not gonna. Really gross. It's very sticky. And it looks like monster slime. Literally, I'm not holding on to it. It looks like a dangling finger. So, I'm just trying to go to sleep there. Yeah, so comment down below if you have slime like this, and please turn into a YouTuber and tell me your freaking YouTube channel name so I can watch you and see what your slime looks like. I got some silly sludge, so yeah, it's not really supposed to be slimy or sticky, but I'm just, playing with it. And a big shout out to Canon S. She makes very awesome makeup videos and all that kind of stuff. But if you are watching this, Canon, I hope you are feeling better from that brain tumor or whatever. I don't really know what it's called, and I'm literally on that. So keep in touch. You need me to update. Yeah, let me get that off. Wanna watch my episode? I put it like this. I grab water and then put it into the basket. I am the global fish. Wobble dobble dibble dobble. Jibble dobble dobble. So, see? I literally got slime on my nose. Ew, it got stuck in my hair.